First test case, does not own enough. No, I don't own any. Second test case of poor. Yes, I own them. I have nothing on it, nothing on it, nothing on it. I have 10 hotels and there's 15 houses, but I only have $100. I don't have enough money. The next test case we're going to do is that there's not enough houses, no houses. We have nothing on here, there, or there. There's 10 hotels, but there's only 10 houses. There's not enough houses at the time. All right, next test case we're going to do is swapping with Pacific. Yes, we have all of them. It's 4 houses, and then there is a hotel. It swaps automatically. All right, we're now going to swap with North Carolina. That is the next test case. So, yes, we own 4 houses, a hotel. It's swapped automatically. And the next one we're going to do is that there's already a hotel there. There's a hotel, it's swapped automatically, as in you can't purchase a hotel. There's already one. Next one we're going to do is we're going to buy everything at once. Yes, there's nothing on it, nothing on it, nothing on it. We have 3 hotels and 12 houses, and we have $3,000. We can immediately buy the 1 hotel and 12 houses, put those on, and put the hotel on. It works. Next thing we're going to do is that we're just buying 1 house, or 3 houses and 3 hotels, the house and hotel one. So, yes, there's 3 houses, 3 houses, 3 houses. How many hotels? There's 1 hotel, and there's 3 houses, and we have a total of $5,000. There you go.